Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to create a team here in Asana. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Asana, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Creating a team in Asana is a simple process that helps you organize projects and collaborate with specific groups of people. Now, you see, teams provide a dedicated space where members can collaborate on projects, share updates, and communicate, making it easier to stay organized and aligned. Now, I'm going to the home section because that is the way for us to be able to create a team here. Now, as you can see, there's going to be an option on the homepage of Asana. If you haven't configured already, there's going to be an option that says manage your team. Okay, you can click on this or on this side, whichever the case may be. You will be forwarded here on a separate page wherein you can customize all of the information. Now, I need you to click on the members section on the left side panel of your dashboard, right after insights. Click on members. Now you can search by name. Okay, so I'm gonna add someone by name or by email if you want it. Okay, click on that, and then if you don't have this person here, you can search by name or email. You can click on the upper right corner where it says invite members. Of course, you can put the email address that you have created and add to projects. Now, if you're working with multiple projects, you can put the projects that you want them to be part of. For example, how to create a team in Asana. All you're gonna do is click on send. All right. Now, the thing is, you would have a status bar at the bottom left corner. All right. Now, the type is going to be pending invite. You will see the status here. You have the ellipsis buttons on the side where you can show on options. You can make it a member or a limited access member. All right. For example, you don't want this specific member to see some of the confidential information, but you want to be part of the project. You might want to do so. You can resend invite if you think that the invite went to spam, right? But if you think that this person no longer works for an organization, you might want to cancel an invitation. Now, I'm going to switch to the test email to see if that works. As you can see, this is going to be the message from Asana. So if you were invited to work in a project in Asana, you would be able to see something like this one. All right. All I'm gonna do is click on view project, because if it does, what will happen is you would be required to log in using your account. All right, so if you have accepted Andy's guys invitations, all I'm gonna do is continue signing up or continue with logging in. All right. Now, if by any chance you are having problems, difficulties, or encounter any issue creating a team in Asana, you might want to click on the bottom left corner where it says get in touch to one of the Asana's customer support staff and tell them you are having problems adding someone here. All right, or you can search the topic if you wanted. There's gonna be a chat bot on the bottom right where you can type in to see an answer. Okay, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.